Hi, dear student, how are you? Kem cho? How are you? Fine? Yes. Today we are in our important point of organic chemistry, saturation and unsaturation. Yes. What is saturation? In the alkane, all the bonds are single, which is called saturation. And saturated compound, alkane is the saturated. There is no any double bond, but in alkene there is one sigma and one pi. So which is called unsaturation. Unsaturated compound, alkenes and alkyne also. There is a pi bond. So pi bond having compounds are generally called unsaturated compounds. So today we are going to find, watch my full video, it will be helpful in your exam to score maximum mark. Yes, saturation and unsaturation trick from the given molecular formula. We have to define first degree of unsaturation. Degree of unsaturation. So we will in throughout the video lecture we call du. Du means, I will use only one word, du means degree of unsaturation. Another name of it is index of hydrogen deficiency. Index of IHD, index of hydrogen deficiency. And third one is double bond equivalent. DBE. We will use only one word, du. Yes. First of all, only carbon and hydrogen containing compounds. Only carbon and hydrogen means hydrocarbon. So du, formula to get du, du means degree of unsaturation. Once again, degree of unsaturation. How many pi bonds are there? That is called degree. So formula, number of carbon atoms plus 2. Number of carbon atoms multiplied by 2 plus 2 minus number of hydrogen atoms divided by 2. Here NC means number of carbon atoms. NH means number of hydrogen atoms. So one by one, suppose molecular formula is given like this: C6H14. So here number of carbon is 6. Clear? Number of hydrogen is 14. So here 2 times 2 multiplied to 6 plus 2 minus 14 divided by 2. So 12 plus 2, 14 minus 14 upon 2. So 0 upon 2 means 0. Whenever du is 0, whenever du is 0 means our given compound is saturated. It means only alkene. Only single bonds are there. No any pi bond. Du is 0 means in given formula there is no any double bond present. All the bonds are single. Now, so give the structure of it and listen. No any cycle is there. Yes, no any cycle is there. Only chain structure it possesses. It means that whenever du comes 0, so our structure should be linear. So C6H14. So 6 carbon in chain. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, 3 plus 2 plus 2, 7 plus 9, 11 and 14. So normal hexane. Now with help of this first C6H4 given, then unsaturation is 0, saturation is 100%, all the bonds are single, so 2-methyl-hexane, otherwise 3-methyl-hexane also. 3-methyl-hexane, there is a 3-methyl-hexane also. Suppose, yes, here is a 2-methyl-hexane, 2-methyl-pentane. List order we have to choose. Then after 3-methyl-pentane. And now, last one, you can see, suppose 2 branches here. So 2, 3, dimethyl butane also. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now fifth one. 4 carbon in the chain and 2 methyl on same carbon. So 2, 2, dimethyl butane. So this part linear chain structures occur. So understood? Now second one, watch the full video, it will be beneficial for you. Now next point, suppose C6H12 is given. Suppose C6H12 formula is given. With example we will discuss. Number of carbon 6, number of hydrogen 12. So du will be 2Nc plus 2 minus LH divided by 2. 6 plus 2 minus 12. So 12 plus 2, 14. Minus 2 divided by 2 by 2. So 1. 1 du. It means 1 unsaturation. 1 du means in our given compound there should be 1 double bond. 1 double bond or 1 cycle. Yes, there should be 1 cycle, otherwise 1 double bond. It is compulsory. So now what about this? So now du is 1 degree, it means 1 double bond or 1 cycle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here is double bond. So CH2, CH, CH2, 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 hexa 1 in. Suppose on second position there is double bond, so it should be, we have to choose least order. From here is 4, here is 2, so hexa 2 in. Suppose double bond is here, so we can say hexa 3 in. From both sided order is 3 from left hand side to right hand side. So heads 3 in. Understood? There should be also branches also. Suppose methyl is here, here or here. Yes, you have to think about it in your homework. Another, these 3 isomer, and another will be also methyl group comes here. So double bond here, CH3 possible, otherwise here, otherwise here. Sometimes 2 CH3 comes as a branch. One of, suppose here. So all the isomers. Now what about this one is this option. Now second option is cyclic. Yes, cycle also. 6 carbon in the cycle. So CH2, 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 CH2. Formula remains same, C6H12. One cycle. There is no double bond. Understood? If we are taking like this, CH, CH, CH2, CH2, C, CH2. So what happens there? 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 8, 9, 10 and 12. So hydrogen are 12 and CH3, yes sir. Now this one also you can do. These are the isomers. Here we are not discussing about how many isomers. We are discussing about saturation and unsaturation. And with help of it, we can easily define how many isomers occur. You have to do rough work about it. Now what about C6H10? Yes, we are going to change our formula C6H10. Number of carbon 6, 10. 6 to the 12 plus 2, 14 minus 10. 14 minus 10, so 4. 4 by 2 gives 2. So here 2D means whenever 2D means 2 double bond. 2 times double bond or 1 times triple bond or 1 time double bond or 1 double bond and 1 cycle. 1 double bond in the cycle. These are the DU. Here DU is 2, means 2 double bond, 2 times double bond, like this. 1 triple bond, like this. 1 double bond and cycle. So we are going to discuss. So DU is 2. So first of all, last one, 1 double bond and cycle. CH, CH, CH2, CH2. This is cyclohexene. Yes. If 5 carbon in the ring and CH3, so CH, CH, CH2, CH2, CH, hydrogen 10, carbon 6. Yes, this type of structure we can draw with help of this. So it gives benefit and it save our time in the exams. You have to do your homework how many structures gives. I am giving you only trick. I am not giving full all the possibilities. You have to count like this. How many isomers occurs? This one over. Now 1 triple bond. Yes. In 6 carbon, 1 triple bond. So it is 3, 2, 7, 9, and 10. Here hex 1 ine. Suppose here is double bond hex 2 ine. Suppose here is triple bond CH3 CC CH2 CH2 CH3 CH3 CH2 CH CH3. Okay. Suppose here is triple bond and one carbon is a branch. So this one is a 3-methyl pent 1 ine. There is also possible 2 branches here. So 3,3 dimethyl but 1 ine. 1, 2 and 3. 3,3 dimethyl but 1 ine. Also you have to do yourself in 2 times double bond. Yes, first option. Suppose 6 carbon 2 times double bond CH2 CH 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 CH2 and CH3. You can see hydrogen 10 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 3 hexadiene 1 3 hexadiene. Suppose here is double bond and here is double bond. So 2 4 hexadiene 2 4 hexadiene. Understood? Here is and here also possible. So this one is 1 5 hexadiene. There is also branch occurs. So you can draw easily how many occurs. Now what about C6H6? Yes, C6H6 suppose given. So Du will be, in this case our Du. Now C6H, yes, first of all C6H8 we are going to discuss. So here our Du will be number of carbon 6, number of hydrogen 8. So 2 into 6 plus 2 minus 8 by 2. 12 plus 2, 14 minus 8 by 2. So here you can see Du is 3. Du is 3 means 3 times double bond in the molecule. Du is 3 means 3 times double bond or 2 times double bond and 1 cycle. Yes, in this case Du is 3. So here you can see C6H8 means 3 times double bond. So 6 carbon, double bond, double bond, double bond. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5 hexatriene. 1, 3, 5 white trine. 3 times in trine. 1, 3, 5 hexa. 1, 3, 5 trine also. Understood? Now another possibility is here is CH3 and CH3. You can see number of carbon are 6. Hydrogen 1, 2, 3 and 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Here 4 valencies already. Here is no any. Here 4 bond is completed. So no any hydrogen there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 dimethyl cyclo buta 1, 3 diene. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 diene. 1 and 3 for double bond. So this type of structures you have to draw. How many other possibilities in your homework you have to do? Now, what about du is 4? In the C6H6, we get 4 du. Hydrogen 6, carbon 6. 6 to the 12 plus 2, 14 minus 6. So 8 by 2, so 4 degree. Here is a 4 degree. Du is 4 means 3 times double bond and 1 cycle. 3 times double bond and 1 cycle. 3 du for 3 times double bond and 1 du for 1 cycle. So in the cycle, no pi bond stay on adjacent position but alternate stables. It stables. So C6 H6. Understood? Du is 4. 3 du for triple bond. 1 du for cycle. Total du are 4 means 3 times double bond and 1 time cycle. What about this? 4 and 5. One, two, three, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the possibilities. Now du for hydrocarbon is over here. We are going to another point. In the given molecular formula, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is given. Du for carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In the formula, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen given. So, du will be number of carbon plus 2 minus number of hydrogen, formula remains same, by 2. So I am giving you example. Suppose C3H4O is given. What about this? Number of carbon 3, 2, 3. Number of hydrogen 4. Divide by 2. 6 plus 2, 8 minus 4 by 2. So 4 by 2 is equal to 2 degree. In this case, 2 times double bond and 1 OH group. Tu is 2 here means 2 times double bond and 1 OH group. There is 1 triple bond and 1 OH group also. Another possibility. Otherwise, 1 triple bond and one OH group. Now third possibility is one double bond and one CHO group. Next, or one cycle, one double bond and one OH group. That should be present. Or one cycle and one carbonyl group. Cycle and one carbonyl group should be present. So all the possibilities we are going to discuss. 2 times double bond and 1 OH. So you can see 2 times double bond and 1 OH. But this compound 2, 3 and 4 hydrogen, 2 double bond, 1 OH, but this is not stable. Here tautomerism occurs. So hydrogen coming here. And this convert into CHO, aldehyde group, CH double bond O. So this possibility is one double bond and one CHO group. This one is not stable. So in 3 carbon, this one is not stable. This one is more stable. One triple bond and one OH group. CH triple bond C, CH2OH. One triple bond, you can see hydrogen 4, carbon 3, 1 oxygen, this one. Now one cycle, one double bond and one OH. One cycle. Here CH, CH and CH. 4 hydrogen, 3 carbon, 1 OH. Yes. Otherwise, you can take here also. These are the possibilities. Now, one CO group in the cycle. One cycle and one carbonyl CO ketone group. So 4 hydrogen, 3 carbon, 1 oxygen. These are the possibilities. Now, next, what about carbon, hydrogen and halogen having the formula? Carbon, in the molecular formula, carbon, hydrogen and halogen is given. So, Du will be degree of unsaturation will be, Du will be 2 times number of carbon plus 2 minus number of hydrogen plus number of halogen divided by 2. Example, for that C3H3Cl3 is given. So Du will be here number of carbon 3, 2 plus 3 plus 2 minus number of hydrogen 3, number of halogen also 3 divided by 2. 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 6 upon 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. 1 Du means 1 double bond or 1 cycle. Yes, finish. Du is 1 means one double bond or one cycle, not both, or there should be one double bond, otherwise one should be cycle. So now tell me, number of carbon 3, here is double bond CH2. Suppose all the 3 chlorine are here. 3, 3, 3, trichloropropane, hydrogen 3, you can see 4 valence is completed. Sometimes here Cl, here is Cl, Cl. So that will be 2, 3, 3, trichloropropane, otherwise here also CH. So 1, 1, 2 trichloro, prop 1 in propane also, and cyclic possibilities Cl, Cl and Cl, CH, CH, CH. Otherwise 2 Cl here, 1 here. So 1, 1, 2 trichlorocyclopropane also. Here 1, 2, 3 trichlorocyclopropane also occurs there. Understood? Now what about carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen containing compounds? Carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen is given in the formula. So Du will be 2 times number of carbon. Du will be 2 times of number of carbon plus 2 minus number of hydrogen minus number of nitrogen divided by 2. I am giving a formula for that, C4H5N. So here will be 2 into 4 plus 2. 4 to the 8, carbon 4, number of carbon 4. Hydrogen is 5, nitrogen is 1. So here will be 4 to the 8 plus 2, 10. Minus 5 minus 1, 4. So minus 4 upon 2. So 6 by 2 is equal to 3 degree. So there should be here Du is 3 means we discussed 3 times double bond. Otherwise 2 double bond and 1 cycle. 2 double bond and 1 cycle. Understood? So here our Du is 3. So in this case you can see 1 cycle and 2 double bond. Number of hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the ring 2 double bond, 1 cycle, last option. Now 3 times double bond. How can it possible? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here is suppose NH. Then here in here. So 2 double bond closely not possible. So stability is less. On the basis of 2 pi bond never stay on adjacent carbon. CH double bond C D and NH. Carbon are 4, suppose so here C double bond NH 1, 2, 3. Here CH2 2, 3, 4 and 5. But this is unstable. Two hydrogens are very close. So this type of we can derive with help of DU. Now last example of the day, C7H8O we are taking. Our question of NCERT, a book. Find out isomers of C7H8O. So we know about it. Here DU will be. Now think about our DU of the formula. Whenever carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is given, so DU will be 2 times number of carbon plus 2 minus number of hydrogen by 2. So 2 into 7 plus 2 minus 8 by 2. 14 plus 2, 16 minus 8 by 2. So 8 by 2 is equal to 4 degree. Here DU is 4. So we know 3 DU means 3 times double bond, and 1 DU for 1 cycle. So total DU 4, like this. So in the ring 3 pi bond alternatively. Then 7th one is a CH2OH. So benzyl alcohol. You can see.
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
5 plus 6 and 7. Hydrogen 5 plus 2, 7 plus 8, 1 oxygen, benzyl alcohol. Here is the
answer is 124.
CH3OH orthopresol. Then here is suppose CH3OH metapresol. Here is CH3 and OH is parapresol. In all the cases, the number of hydrogen are 7. Now here is only C. 4 plus 5 plus 3, 8 hydrogen, 7 carbon, 1 oxygen, 3 phenolic groups, orthopresol, metapresol, para. Last one, suppose here is methoxybenzene. Carbon 7, hydrogen 8, oxygen 1. So 5 isomers occurs. This is the use of our DU. I hope you enjoyed my lecture. Then subscribe my channel and forward to others. It will be beneficial for you. And do revision and do try yourself to draw the structures. Bye. We will meet in our next lecture.